Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. In this topic we will cover why PHP, in addition to features covered in the introduction topic PHP hypertext preprocessor and practical applications of PHP. Stable. It is a very stable language and has been around for almost a quarter of a century. Most of the bugs in it have been fixed, making it safer, more efficient, and more effective than other languages. Static/dynamic. PHP is used to develop static websites that contain static content, or dynamic websites that can interact with users. Database. PHP is great with relational and conventional databases like MongoDB, Redis, and MySQL. It securely connects with almost any kind of database. Community. It has a bigger online community. Frameworks. A framework provides a basic structure for streamlining web application development. Some of popular frameworks are Laravel, CodeIgniter, Symfony, and CakePHP. Some awesome practical applications of PHP. Web pages. Web-based applications. Web content management system. E-commerce applications. GUI-based applications. Image processing. Generating graphic design. Data representation. Creating PDF files. Thank you for watching. Don't worry if you are not understanding some technical terms like parameters or argument this time. All will be clear in forthcoming topics. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Stay tuned.